Duйшеев!
Killers, I'm back with this new exclusive shit. DJ Cash, Southgate, the new member of Killers family. Alza, Did you know that I'm a KG kigger, dealing with KG thugs? Walking around the hood, I'm wildin' like dogs. But I don't sell drugs, I sell records and shots. Bitch, you don't know me, know my music that rocks. So fuck what you think and talk about us. We those boys that keep on drinking alcohol in slums. Those boys that wait at your crib when the beef starts. Those impotent boys that take over your business bars. What you think? We are broken, starving around. Keep playing and rapping and fucking around. Gala Ghost is back on the street, shit to get down. I know what you rap motherfuckers think about. If Kiggers really did it so we can do it around. You're in Belle to shine, so get the fuck out. Get out the way, bitch, I will shut your ass down. They hit you, get knocked out after the first round. What?
We all kick it South Gates, got on Project South shit. We all loving South Ghosts and we riding South Coast. We all kick it South Gates, got on Project South shit. We all loving South Ghosts and we riding South Coast. We all kick it South Gates, got on Project South shit. We all loving South Ghosts and we riding South Coast. We all kick it South Gates, got on Project South shit. We all loving South Ghosts and we riding South Coast. Kickers be fucking, but this is disgusting. They see us with funnies, hoes and costs, and it's nothing. They act like got something, but they deserve nothing. Bit between rhyme dealing, kickers just started. Why would I change? I'm the greatest. Dog, I'm starters. First single K-Style was on top, bitch. Then you saw album we dropped with guest appearances. 4 years with the best lyricists. What you don't know, we dropped first album. You were dead wrong, cause kickers return. And from now on, scream my name Sean Curve. I'm back with Southgates and the cash flow. We're getting it, yeah, we're getting it, yeah, we're getting it, let's go. Who did you expect, huh? Kickers to the death. We all kick it South Gates, got on Project South shit. We all loving South Ghosts and we riding South Coast. We all kick it South Gates, got on Project South shit. We all loving South Ghosts and we